Welcome friends, I'm no mechanic, but today I'm going to replace the passenger side rear wheel bearings on my 2010 Honda Civic. I did do this once before, probably about 25 years ago. I know it's hard to hear from the road noise, but there's a distinct hum coming from the passenger side rear. Another clue that it's a bad wheel bearing is, while making a right turn, the noise gets quieter, because more of the weight is shifted to the left side of the car. Before jacking your vehicle up, you might want to gently break loose the lug nuts. When I purchased the hub assembly, I also wanted to get a new floor jack and jack stands. And they just so happen to be having a sale. Buy both of them and get $15 off. Place a brick behind the other 3 tires and jack her up. Here are 3 of the 4 bolts that we want to remove. They're all the exact same length, so you don't have to worry about keeping anything separate. Next door to us, they're doing some big construction, so I don't know if you can hear the bad bearing. To remove the rotor, gently tap between the lug studs. Hold your breath. Mine came off shockingly easy. A little comparison there. I think you'll be able to hear it this time. Give it a good blast so we can clean it and keep down the dust. We're also going to spray down the bolts real good, and hopefully they won't give us a problem coming out. These 4 bolts are 9/16, and the one is barely hiding behind the ABS sensor. They came out no problem. The old wheel bearing actually fell right out of place. And the little rubber O-ring was actually in excellent condition. I blasted the inside with a little WD-40 and wiped it out really good. The bad bearing was actually starting to rub on the metal. You can see the difference in the two. How the original bearing was pushing itself out of the casing. Before installing the new wheel bearing, make sure the raceway is clear and the rubber O-ring is in perfect condition. Insert the 4 bolts back in place and hand tighten. Then use a torque wrench set at 47 foot-pounds to tighten them down. This one definitely seems much quieter. I cleaned out the rotor as much as possible before putting it back on. Install wheel. Remove the jack stands, the jack, and the bricks. And here we go. It may be hard to tell, but it's definitely quieter. I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and hit like.